Filtering a database lets you see only the entities that meet your criteria, be they the students who scored less than 70 on Quiz 4, meals with calories greater than 500, the items located on stockroom shelf 2, or websites of interest to both teachers and students. Being sure that you have followed the database rules explained at the beginning of the sort animation, begin the filtering process by clicking anywhere within the database grid, then clicking Data, Filter, Autofilter. You are returned to the database with small arrows next to each field name. To create a simple filter, click the arrow for the column that contains the category on which you want to filter, Quiz 4 in the example, then slide to and click the criteria for the entities that you want displayed, such as students with a grade of 82. Your gradebook database now only shows the 2 students who scored 82 on Quiz 4. Observe, too, that the spreadsheet rows that contain data for the other students are no longer visible. In addition, a blue arrow indicates the column that has the filter condition. One way to return the entire database would be to click the blue arrow, then slide to and click All. To establish a more complex filter, such as all students with grades below 70 on the last quiz, you would start with the filter arrows present. Then you would click the column with the criteria, then slide to and click Custom. In the Custom Autofilter dialog box, click the drop-down arrow for the first condition. Slide to and click the desired condition. In this case, click the term is less than. Then either click into the criteria text box and type a value, or click the drop-down arrow and select a value. You could establish even further conditions. In this example, you will simply click OK. You may even filter further the subset of information, such as now displaying only those students who scored less than 70 on the first quiz as well. And as filters get more complex, the easiest way to return to the original data may be to click Data, Filter, and click off the Autofilter. Filtering allows you to set criteria that focus attention on specific information, and to share only the information of interest to other parties, be they school administrators, students, or fellow professionals.